The defense attorneys in one of Trump's many legal cases just disproved one of Trump's claims that he only hires the best people by sending a subpoena to the wrong person. Trump, you gotta do something about the statement that you made earlier. Let's watch.
What would be your criteria in choosing the senior administrators?
Track record, great competence, love of what they're doing, how they're getting along with people, references. I mean, no different than when you're running a company, how you hire top people. We have to get the best people. We need to get the best and the finest, and if we don't, we'll be in trouble for a long period of time.
You gotta get better attorneys. I mean, you're gonna be in trouble for a long time, Trump, if you get the kind of attorneys who end up subpoenaing the wrong person. All right, so let's fill in the blanks. What happened here? Well, last month, Trump's attorneys in his criminal hush money case in Manhattan sought to subpoena the Jeremy Rosenberg, who was a supervising investigator in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. Now, Rosenberg ended up getting suspended as an investigator for Alvin Bragg because he ended up making a dumb mistake. He decided to contact Trump's former attorney, Michael Cohen, and apparently that went against their ethics and their rules. So Trump's lawyers wanted Rosenberg's records of communication with Michael Cohen starting from February of 2021. Okay, so that's what the subpoena was all about. They wanted to know what kind of conversation Rosenberg was having with Michael Cohen, Trump's former attorney. So they subpoenaed Jeremy Rosenberg, just not the right one. They got the wrong Jeremy Rosenberg. I know it sounds crazy, but there's more than one Jeremy Rosenberg in the world, okay? So court filings revealed that the subpoena actually went to another individual with the same name, Jeremy Rosenberg, who actually has zero connection to the case, zero, okay? And he actually lives in Brooklyn.
Pausing here to deliver some honest truth as we do in our news coverage as well. TYT is facing challenges, guys, as the entire industry is. You know who could make the difference? You. If you hit the join button below, it's gonna make all the difference and keep us in business. We appreciate you, thank you.
So the wrong Rosenberg decided to have a little fun with this subpoena request. And so he responded with the following message. I don't have any files for you. PS, the phone number you provided was disconnected. PPS, I'm keeping the $15. Now, what's the $15? Well, apparently Trump's attorneys had included $15 in their communications with the wrong Rosenberg because they wanted to pay for the files getting sent to them, right? The files that they had requested. That cost some money, so they ensured that they covered the cost of sending the files that they had subpoenaed. So Trump's attorney is Todd Blanc, okay? So Blanc still didn't seem to understand that he sent the subpoena to the wrong person, which is kind of disastrous, and wrote to the court complaining that Rosenberg was not being cooperative. He was being very bad, very uncooperative. It's just that you reached out to the wrong Rosenberg. Blanc had complained that the man that he believed to be the former investigator Rosenberg had displayed a flippant and dismissive approach to his subpoena, despite ample experience with the criminal justice system that should have instilled in him respect for this process and a criminal defendant's rights. Interesting. I mean, does your client have respect for the process? It doesn't seem like it. Doesn't seem like it. But nonetheless, the prosecutors were the ones to end up getting in touch with the correct person. Like, think about that. The prosecutors are like, yo, Trump's defense attorney, we'll help you out, okay? We'll get in touch with the person you're trying to reach, the person you're trying to subpoena here. And so they get in touch with the correct person and inform the court that Trump's lawyers had made a mistake. After receiving defendant's pre-motion letter, the people spoke with Mr. Rosenberg's counsel, who informed the people that Mr. Rosenberg was not, in fact, served with the subpoena, that Mr. Rosenberg had not corresponded with defense counsel, and that Mr. Rosenberg does not have any connection to the Brooklyn address where the subpoena purportedly was served. On top of this, Big L, Trump had made some unsuccessful attempts to get the case tossed. It has not been tossed, and again, those attempts were unsuccessful. In 3 days, the judge rejected his bid to delay the trial while he fights the gag order against him 3 separate times. Okay, so that's what Trump is dealing with. He's been pretty irate about that. So the case will move forward, and the gag order is still in place. But remember, Trump hires the best people. He really does the work, guys. He puts in the work, he does the background checks, he looks for references, right? I don't know what kind of references he spoke to when it came to Todd Blanc, because Todd Blanc, like when the wrong Rosenberg responded to him and let him know, like, I don't have any files for you, I'm keeping the $15, like that should have been a little bit of a hint. But instead, he got super salty about it because he still thought that was the right Rosenberg and complained about how this individual doesn't respect the process. It's just so funny. But make sure you dot your I's, cross your T's. I mean, if this is the defense attorney representing you in the hush money case, not good, not good.
Thanks for watching the Young Turks, really appreciate it. Another way to show support is through YouTube memberships. You'll get to interact with us more. There's live chat emojis, badges. You've got emojis of me, Anna, John, JR. So those are super fun. But you also get playback of our exclusive member-only shows and specials right after they air. So all of that, all you gotta do is click that join button right underneath the video. Thank you.